Hey guys, welcome back. Let's talk about what the hot stone massage is. Hot stone massage is a variation of the typical relaxation massage, and it uses smooth water heated stones on points around the body. The hot stone massages are really deeply soothing and relaxing, and they act to release tight muscles in ways that traditional remedial massage even struggles to achieve. Hot stone massages are very easy to perform, very therapeutic, and they're highly lucrative, which makes them an excellent addition to any massage practice. Or if you're starting out, it gives you a good fundamental starting place to get your client base growing. Let's talk about the history. It's not a new treatment. People have been using hot stones for therapy for literally thousands of years. The Japanese used the stones to warm their abdomens to aid in digestion, and the Chinese have been using the stones to relieve muscular pain for about 2,000 years. It was also used as an ancient healing tradition in India when river stones were warmed in hot coals or hot water. And both the ancient Romans and the Native Americans used heated stones to generate steam for saunas and sweat lodges. This shouldn't surprise anyone after all. Stones are among the first tools that were used by humans, and anthropologists have found that decorative stones ranging from ornate to semi-precious quality among the buried remains of countless primitive cultures. So it seems that as a species we seem to like rocks. The modern hot stone massage became popular after Mary Nelson, a massage therapist, introduced a massage technique in 1993 called La Stone Therapy, and it was using hot stones. Since then, many massage schools are now including hot stone massage in their core curriculum, but some of them don't, which is why we offer this basic beginner's course. It gives you an introduction to the concepts of beautiful effleurage massage and petrissage massage, combined with the luxury and therapeutic benefits of what hot stones offer. And so that's a fantastic opportunity for So let's talk about the stones. So let's look at the stones that we use. The stones that are most often used in hot stone massage are smooth basalt rock from volcanoes. The basalt stones are usually fine-grained and as a result of rapid cooling of lava on the Earth's surface. But because of this, it's the reason the basalt stones retain the heat really well. Stones that are artificially smoothed in a tumbler may also be used, and river stones smoothed by many years of submersion are commonly used by massage therapists for their ease in gliding across the skin. Various sizes, shapes and weights of the stones are used during the hot stone massage, depending on whether you are using it as a stationary stone or as a tool for body work. And we'll show you what some of those things look like in our demonstration videos. The larger stones are generally used as a stationary stone, and they're placed on the sacrum and other areas, where the smaller hand-sized stones are used as tools to perform petrissage, which is that kneading kind of motion. And if you look at the picture that we've got here, we've got the hands with the thumb. That's the kind of size stone that we'd use for petrissage. And then you've got the smaller stones between the toes, keeping the warmth and the circulation right to the tips of the toes. Such a beautiful thing to be able to do. Some therapists like to use really small stones to place on the face or even between the toes, as we just showed you. The number of stones needed during a hot stone massage can vary, and in professional capacity, delivery of a typical full body hot stone massage, you'll want to use approximately 40 to 50 stones, most of which should be the size of the palm of your hand. It is possible to use fewer stones, but you'll need to reheat them constantly. And if you don't want to constantly reheat the stones, Make sure you consider this factor when you're stocking your massage stones and getting ready to set up your clinic. Most stones in the hot stone massage should be used in the hand and worked over the body in effleurage and petrissage strokes. Some will be stationary stones placed on strategic places on the body and left there for as long as it is convenient. Good places for stationary stones include the palms of the hand, the feet, the sacrum, along the spine, and on the chakra points. Precautions, though, must be taken with stationary stones. Stationary stones should be cooler than the ones moving along the body, or they should be wrapped in linen before being placed on the body. Stationary stones are more likely to burn your client than a moving stone, so make sure you take the necessary precautions, and we will highlight more of these precautions in the coming videos. So let's now talk about the benefits of hot stone. Hot stone massage is generally thought of as a pampering spa treatment, but it is really, really therapeutic. Heat has always been used in various forms for therapeutic use. Sunlight, heated sand, and heated water were initially used as an effective means of therapy for ailments and pain. Early users of heat therapy also obtained heat from hot stones and coals, open fire, and irons. The earliest hot water containers consisted of hollow dried fruits and the bladder or skin of animals. Heat therapy, also called thermotherapy, is the application of heat to the body for pain relief and health. It can take the form of a hot cloth, hot water, ultrasound, heating pad, whirlpool baths, and of course, hot stone massage. The therapeutic benefits can be beneficial to people with arthritis and stiff muscles and injuries to the deep tissue of the skin. Heat may be an effective self-care treatment for conditions like rheumatoid arthritis. And heat therapy accomplishes its therapeutic work by means of a physiological phenomenon known as vasodilation. Vasodilation refers to the widening of the blood vessels. It results from relaxation of smooth muscle cells within the vessel walls, particularly in the large veins, large arteries, and the small arterioles. The process is essentially the opposite of vasoconstriction, which is the narrowing of the blood vessels. When blood vessels dilate, the flow of blood is increased due to a decrease in vascular resistance. Therefore, dilation of the arterial blood vessels, mainly the arterioles, decreases blood pressure. Other therapeutic benefits include decreasing joint stiffness, reducing pain, relieving muscle spasms, reducing inflammation, aiding in the post-acute phase of healing, and increasing blood flow. The increased blood flow to the affected area provides proteins, nutrients, and oxygen for better healing. The application of constant heat to the back and upper back area can help release the tension associated with headache pain. The placement of stationary stones for hot stone massage meets this need beautifully. It really, really is comforting to have someone place a stone on your sacrum and just drop you into a deeper level of relaxation. Applying hot stones on the body increases the temperature of the skin and muscle tissue to improve circulation, and it calms the nervous system, deeply relaxing you. And it's acting to rebalance the body and mind. As the superficial muscles relax, a therapist can also massage the deeper muscles. The heat of the basalt stone releases muscle tension faster than a classic Swedish massage. So there's really some beautiful aspects to why use hot stone and why it is this standalone treatment and a course that we've brought you. Because when we are increasing blood flow, we are providing extra proteins, nutrients, and oxygen for the entire body, which in and of itself has a healing effect. So So this beautiful tradition of ancient, like thousands of years we're talking about, thousands of years, ancient cultures have used heat to relieve pain, relieve muscle spasms, reduce inflammation, and just soothe the soul. Like, it's such a soothing thing to have a hot stone massage. Worth mentioning too, guys, river stones are wonderful, but they cool a lot quicker than basalt stones. So that's another reason that basalt stones are a really important ingredient when setting up your hot stone massage business. All right, we're going to talk more about business in just a moment. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Just to answer some questions first. So guys, just before we get to the next video, I want you to check your learning and see how you're doing with all of that. Okay guys, that's it for this video. Hope you got some good notes in. I'll see you in the next one.